the variety is regular koi as well as butterfly koi. The major difference between butterfly koi and regular koi is the length of their fins. Butterfly koi kind of look like they're flying in the water.
So there they are. What do you think?
I think that's good for now.
Rain, rain.
We'll set these aside for you. And
Little rain, rain.
Thanks again.
Little baby. What you
it's
doing
time
up
for the
there?
final push in our Mexican resort theme
Huh?
pool. It's really taking shape. I mean, we're putting in 4 or
What you
5
doing up there,
features,
Rain, Rain?
including a special one on top of the grotto. I think this is a first for me. Mine too. Yeah, nice.
Hey, little baby.
I can think of only one more way that we
You're
can really
scaring
push
me.
this Mexican theme over the top. Zulema's Mosaics. Hey, woman.
Huh?
Check this out. The mosaics are here.
Come here.
Wow. Solema did an amazing job with the mosaics, and I'm really happy that we were able to repurpose the tile from the old spa. Once the surface is bond coated, then we can apply the thin set, press the tile mesh on there, and grout it, and voila, we're done. This backyard is going to be something else.
Well, sunshine, we got these lounge chairs to put in the water. Unfortunately, I read the directions after. You're supposed to fill them up with water in
Come on,
the
baby.
pool. Now I see why, because look how heavy these things are. That's 7 pounds a gallon, or isn't that right?
It's 8.
Oh, it's 8 pounds? Yeah, there must be a lot of gallons in this rascal. I guess that's why you read directions.
Right, yeah.
I'm just not really
Good job.
that good. I figured I was smarter
There
than the
you
sheriff.
go.
That remains to be
There
seen.
you go.